One more message I will send to the center that they should take some steps to get back migrants. We want to share.
Kashmiri Pandits.
Yeah. They should be back because they were our friends. We will see 70 to 80% in the assembly elections. So center should take the initiative for that. There is no need to panic for the candidate for which I have voted. Let me hope that he will do better for me.
What's your name, sir?
I am Lal Mohammad Ghani from village of Lismagam.
Did you cast your vote, sir?
Yeah, definitely. It is a fundamental right to cast the vote. So I did came and I cast my vote.
Yeah. What are your issues for which you cast your vote today?
Look here, gentlemen, there are a lot of issues. First of all, we want to send a member who will speak in the parliament. It's not easy to go contest a parliament election. So the better candidate for which I have voted, I know better that he can go into the parliament and he can take whatever issues we have got on state level or on individual level. Maybe he will solve them. That is it.
There were some parliament members from Kashmir. What are your views about them in previous governments?
Actually, if I will talk about this parliament system of government, so sad to say that we have been under Governor Raj for so many years. Now there is an expectation that because people are coming in large numbers to vote, and we are very much hopeful that in upcoming days we will see an announcement from the Honorable Governor that assembly elections will also take place and we will have a parliament system of government. What is the parliament system of government is that which will listen to we people. That is it. We want it. It is a right of vote, a fundamental right of ours. We should go. I do request people to come out and vote.
In past years, we saw the people used to boycott the elections, and today they are coming out of their homes to cast vote. What are your message for them?
Look here, gentlemen, the situation has changed altogether. So my request to the general public is that come out from your homes and let we hope that the state will come into the peaceful manner. And which we have seen from last 30 odd years, we have seen destruction throughout by this little kids. If I talk, I was then a young man before 30 years. We have seen lot of destruction. And now we hope that these elections will take place, and soon after the parliament elections, assembly elections will come into action, and we will have a parliament system of government. We shall have an assembly of our own state. And hope that our issues, whatever issues, that will be solved on the state and as well as the central level.
Thank you. What are your expectations from the upcoming member parliament of Kashmir?
Look here, it depends upon after this voting is over and this result.
What expectation do you have on him?
Look here, as an individual, I should say that jobs are not available here because competition is very much. So, students who are going to vote, they should not vote for that we will get jobs. I don't suppose there's a competition, but overall, what are all general issues on state level or on village level or on town level? I hope that these issues will be solved because we will have an approach to assembly. We are not having an approach to the governor. It is very difficult to meet him. So on the state level, we have got the approach to go to our concerned assembly member, and whatever issues are there on individual level, state level, or on central level, that can be issued.
We met a person some minutes before, and he said the developmental issues doesn't matter for me. I just want only peace in Kashmir.
No, look here. Before people will take me off. First of all, development should be there. Peace will come automatically.
But he said developmental issues doesn't matter for me.
No, why not? Development is first issue for me as an educated person.
What about the peace?
Peace should be there. No doubt about that. We have seen lot of. I already told you what we have seen, what you have seen, what you have witnessed. We want peace. And one more message I will send to the center that they should take some steps to get back migrants. We want to share.
Kashmiri Pandits.
Yeah. They should be back because they were our friends. Whatever the situation was then. Now it is all.
BJP is saying that Kashmiri Pandits are freely coming back to Kashmir.
Sure, we do expect because we have seen so many places. The one truck is a place away from 30 kilometers away from. We have seen lot of construction there. They are for the migrants and so many.
You are happy with that?
Why not? They are our friends. They should be back because we are living in a peaceful manner. A few incidents, whatever happening, in the we are twice or thrice. They are happening all over the world, all over in India as well. So we can expect a peace here. I want a peace, but apart from peace, we want a development here. Development is first, I should say, first step should be taken for the development.
What is your message regarding the assembly elections which are not going to in Kashmir?
Look here, a way has just opened. You just see Srinagar state, you can say that is the center state, have voted near about 36%, which has been reported after a gap of, I should say, 40 years. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. So people are coming to vote, and I do hope there is no objection for the center now to conduct assembly election, because
But they are delaying it.
No, I hope they have understood the situation, peaceful situation here. I suppose 50 to 60% voting is very much on here, and we will see 70 to 80% in the assembly elections. So center should take the initiative for that. There is no need to panic for we people. We want peace, we want development. So assembly election.
How much time you have cast vote in your life, sir, till now?
I don't know, from 30 odd years I have not voted. Nobody voted, but
What has changed? What has changed in these 30 years?
Look here, we have seen a lot of trouble during these 30 years. How it came, that is secondary, but we have suffered a lot. Now we want a peace, we want a development, we want a happy state. Because look here, tourists are coming in large number. That's a good sign. Because 70% population of this state is dependable on tourists. Tourists are very much on, and we are happy that we are earning. Our traders are earning. That means we are earning. You are earning. Everybody is happy. So peace should be there, development should be there, and I am happy that people are coming in large numbers. That is a good sign for the upcoming. There is no lame excuse for governor to say or the center to say that we will postpone this assembly. This way is now very much open.
Your last message for our viewers.
Look here, last message: come, cast your vote. But it is a fundamental right to cast the vote. But you should choose the right candidate. Nobody will expose to whom I have voted, or I to whom I have. But people should come. They should go for the right candidate. That is the candidate who will look after. Look here, after 5 or 6 years, we don't see their faces. Now we expect they will come. They know the value of the vote. These contesting members know the value of the vote. I suppose they will come now. They will look our problems, and our problems will be solved. I am very much hopeful.